Hi guys, do you know how a small baby with small body size grows into a big adult with a larger body size? It is due to the process of mitosis. What is mitosis? Mitosis is a form of cell division in which a single cell gives rise to two daughter cells. You should know that if the cell is of 2n, that is two sets of chromosomes, the daughter cells will have two sets each. Further, these daughter cells will divide again through mitosis, giving rise to total 4 daughter cells. And this way, the cells keep on dividing and the size of the baby keeps on increasing. Now let's study in detail mitosis. Mitosis takes place in two steps: karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyo means nucleus, kinesis means division. So mitosis is nuclear division followed by cytokinesis, which is cytoplasmic division. Now we'll see karyokinesis first. In karyokinesis, further 4 steps takes place. That is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. स्टूडेंट्स याद रखिए कि यही ऑर्डर में कार्योकाइनेसिस होता है, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ स्टेप. और इसको ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं: प्राइम मिनिस्टर आया था, प्राइम मिनिस्टर आया था, प्रोफेस, मेटाफेस, एनाफेस एंड टीलोफेस. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट प्रोफेस फर्स्ट. Prophase is the first step of karyokinesis. So in prophase, before prophase, you should remember that DNA was in the form of thread-like structures loosely bound and called as chromatin. When prophase starts, those loosely bound chromatins are condensed and forms chromosomes. So what are chromosomes? That are highly coiled, condensed form of chromatin. So in prophase 1, chromosomes are formed. The nuclear membrane starts to disappear. The nucleolus also starts to disappear, and there is formation of centrioles. Centrioles is a form of proteins which will be required further in mitosis. So after prophase, the next phase is metaphase. In metaphase, these centrioles that were formed go to the opposite sides, that is the polar sides of the cell. तो ये centrioles polar sides में cells के जाएंगे और form करेंगे spindle fibers as they go. Spindle fibers thread like proteins होता है जो ये chromosomes के center में attach होंगे. Because of this pushing and pulling of this spindle fibers, ये metaphase का speciality है कि ये chromosomes इक्वेटोरियल रीजन ऑफ द सेल में अलाइन हो जाएंगे. उसका मतलब सेल के सेंट्रल रीजन में ये मेटाफेज अलाइन होंगे. सो दैट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर. व्हाट? दैट द क्रोमोसोम्स अलाइन टू द इक्वेटोरियल रीजन ऑफ द सेल. नेक्स्ट इज एनाफेज. इन एनाफेज, these sister chromatids now split up and these spindle fibers pull them to the opposite direction. So first they were together, now they are split up and the sister chromatids move to the opposite directions with the help of contraction of these spindle fibers. The last stage of karyokinesis is telophase. In telophase, the sister chromatids are at the opposite end, the nuclear membrane starts to form and the nucleolus also starts to form, giving rise to two nucleus in the cell. So, as I told you, karyokinesis is nuclear division. From single nucleus in prophase, it became to two nucleus in telophase. So we know after karyokinesis is cytokinesis, that is cytoplasmic division. So in cytokinesis, first a cleavage is formed in that single cell, that is over here. A cleavage furrow is formed which keeps on deepening and later splits the single cells into two daughter cells. And this is how the cytoplasmic division occurs. So, as I told, mitosis is karyokinesis, which is in telophase the nucleus divides, and Kinesis is cytoplasmic division giving daughter cell.